Sorrel juice is a red-colored beverage that is popular in many regions around the world. It is made from the leaves of the sorrel plant and has a tangy taste. In this video, we will be telling you the many health benefits of drinking sorrel juice. Sorrel is a leafy herb known for its sharp tart taste and the beverage made from it. It has broad green leaves that cover most of the stalk, deep roots, and red and purple flowers. Research has shown that sorrel is immensely beneficial to our health. It is used in culinary recipes such as soup and salads. The leaves are also dried and used to make sorrel juice. Here are the benefits of drinking sorrel juice. 1. Highly nutritious. The high nutrient content of sorrel juice makes it a healthy option for many seeking alternatives to coffee and carbonated drinks. It is low in calories, fats, and carbohydrates. A single cup of raw sorrel, which is approximately 130 grams, contains just 29 kilojoules of calories, a gram of fat, and 4 grams of carbohydrates. Sorrel juice also contains protein and several trace elements such as magnesium, manganese, copper, potassium, iron, and phosphorus. Vitamins A, B6, C, and riboflavin are also present. Vitamin A helps protect eyesight, while vitamin C is essential for healthy skin. Magnesium plays a role in the development of strong bones. 2. Rich in fiber. Food rich in dietary fiber is excellent for improving gut functions and preventing gastrointestinal problems. Fiber promotes proper digestion, aiding the proper functioning of the digestive tract. It maintains regular bowel movement, ridding the body of waste and boosting gut health. It helps prevent constipation, diarrhea, cramping, and bloating. Fibers are readily absorbed into the bloodstream and reduce cholesterol levels in the blood. Keeping cholesterol low reduces the risk of complications like atherosclerosis and stroke. 3. Regulates blood pressure. Increased blood pressure is caused by the contraction or blockage of blood vessels. This can be a result of illnesses or conditions like atherosclerosis, high cholesterol levels, etc. High blood pressure or hypertension can lead to complications that can be fatal. It is quite difficult to cure, thus, it should be prevented. Sorrel juice is rich in potassium, a micronutrient that is associated with lower blood pressure. Potassium is essential for stabilizing body fluids, which it does by relaxing body vessels, allowing smoother passage of blood. 4. Improves vision. Sight is the primary sense of human beings, and the eye organs should be given utmost priority. Cataracts and macular degeneration often plague most people as they grow older, a good reason why eyesight-friendly meals should be consumed. Vitamin-rich foods like sorrel are excellent for improving eyesight. Vitamin A prevents eye defects like long-sightedness and astigmatism. It also prevents age-related sight problems. Beta-carotene, an antioxidant and a variant of vitamin A, boosts night vision in combination with other antioxidants. 5. Good source of iron. Iron deficiency results in blood-related complications like leukemia. Iron boosts the production of red blood cells. These cells carry oxygen from the lungs to other parts of the body. Low oxygen circulation affects the body negatively. Symptoms include thinning of hair, general body weakness, and poor healing. 6. Boosts immune system. Having a strong immune system protects the body from several infections. Natural body immunity, provided mainly by white blood cells, will kill off germs before infection starts. The skin also provides immunity from harmful microbes in the environment. Vitamin C present in sorrel juice supports skin functions and detoxifies. A healthy skin offers protection from external pathogens and injuries. 7. Protects heart muscle. Sorrel is an excellent source of antioxidants like flavonoids, phenolic acids, triterpenes, and stilbenoids. Antioxidants are biochemical compounds that protect against cell damage by ridding the body of toxic free radicals. Studies have shown that flavonoids and other antioxidants help to prevent heart disease. As the leading cause of death in the world, heart disease can be fatal if not treated quickly. Drinking sorrel juice provides your body with nutrients that inhibit factors like chronic inflammation, which leads to the disease. 8. Detoxification. Sorrel contains flavonoids and other antioxidants that make it a good diuretic and purgative. This helps in flushing out harmful toxins from the body. Sorrel leaves contain protocaticuic acid that aids in body detox. Sorrel tea and sorrel-infused water are often used for detoxification of the body. It also relieves bloating. 9. Treatment of cold blisters. Cold sores and fever blisters usually occur around the lips and the mouth, and the skin around them is sore and painful. Sorrel leaves are rich in flavonoids and have compounds that have proven to help treat cold sores and fever blisters. The sour taste of sorrel leaves is caused by the presence of oxalic acid. Although oxalic acid may help prevent cancer, it can be poisonous when sorrel is consumed in large quantities. Hence, it is advisable to keep daily intake at minimal levels. Also, do not cook sorrel leaves with aluminum cookware. Oxalic acid would react with the metal and give the herb a very unpleasant metallic taste. Despite this, sorrel juice is relatively harmless and is popular in countries like Nigeria, where it is called zobo drink. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 5 health benefits of cabbage water, juice and leaves to blow your mind. Thanks for watching and bye for now.